Well, welcome to Allen's Day. Today we are getting ready to go on a trip from Green Bay, Wisconsin down to Tennessee first and then off down to Mississippi. So taking the Pete and getting loaded up here. So what we've got going on here is showed you the Pete on the previous episodes. Got the suspension done, work done on there, got the refrigerator in there, a few other things. Now it is time to get the car loaded up on there. Put some racks on here to hold the tires, show you those in a little bit. And then we've got the Trailblazer that's going to go on there. So let me get you turned around here and show you what we got. So we made some, the guys at the shop made up these brackets. I drew these up and burned them out, made them up, and that's a wheel holder. They bolt down onto the bed here. There's places to put the jack straps, tire lassos in some of these holes, however we're going to use them. So I got to check and make sure that they're lined up for the work on the Blazer. So the Blazer is going to go on here. I've got to get the ramps pulled out and get the Blazer up there. Not quite sure how this is going to work because last time I loaded the Blazer up on here I had some 12-foot ramps. We're putting some 8-foot ramps on there. I've got the air let out of the airbags on the back of the truck here, and then I've got the air out of the hitch, so that we should be able to drive right over the top of there. So let me get the ramps out of here and then we will get started. So we've got the ramps in here. Pull the and we'll get these ramps set up. They're pretty, these are 10,000 pound ramps, so they're definitely plenty heavy enough. And these are some ramps that I got. You can see that they're 10,000 pounds and heavy ramp. It's a little more than what I need, but I got them heavy enough so if I need to put the compact tractor up, or if I need to run the skid steer up here, there's plenty of ramp. But I think what I might do, we'll see how this works out, is I might get a set of 5,000 pound ramps. Set of 5,000 pound ramps and put some extensions on them. Depends how much clearance we need. So we are ready to give it a shot to get it up there. Bring you back when I start moving up there. Well, we got another project here. We got Rachael working on the their horse trailer. I'll show you that in a minute. And Alyssa's in here making parts for the trailer, or for her trailer. She's making a switch there, turned her loose on the saw, the press brake. And what they got going on in here is I had the guys at the shop get this process started for us. They took and they put this bulldog jack on here and made up some aluminum pans. Alyssa and Rachael got the brackets for the battery hold downs on there, and we've got to get the propane bracket on there, and then we've got to get a switch up there. I'll bring you back and show you what we got. So we got those two over there going through. Oh, now they're grinding. Maybe we shouldn't see this. Don't be afraid to push into that, Rachel. There we go. They're just cleaning up the park. We'll show you what it looks like when they got it done. So they've got plenty more to go on here, and I said I'd point them in the right direction, and they're on their own.
Here we have Alyssa showing off her dance moves.
Got all your shots figured out?
We got the shots. We're gonna drive up the Blazer. Actually, we're gonna jump it.
So I'm gonna back up and then sort of line me up center because I'm off.
Here we go. It's all on you. Here we go. She's going up. Will he make it? Or will this be even more exciting video? Alan crashes Jean's car. Oh! Back. Oh, God. Alyssa's gonna get squished. Look at that look of concentration in Alan's face. Alyssa will get squished up there.
Here, maybe go off to the side.
What's that?
You know, get off to the side there.
Yeah. You got. You're good.
Look at that. Great success.
Perfect.
Made it. Water.
Yep.
Alyssa's just up there tasting things coming out of the vehicle.
Yeah, good thing. I was gonna say, Jean's coming live.
There Alan goes. Backing it up. Hey, get off my lawn. Jean's over there, gonna help back him up. Nobody knows if it's gonna fit. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Car might come tumbling off. Let's go see what Alyssa's doing.
Terminals.
Terminals, that's what those are called?
Yep. I'll slide the heat shrink over and
Yeah, let's go do the heat shrink. I hijacked Alan's camera. Oh, there he is getting out. Oh, he goes, oh shit, lot of room, honey.
What do you say?
He goes, oh shit, lot of room, honey.
Is there a high on this thing?
No, all the way down. Yep, that's how you do it, folks.
Girls can do it too.
Girls can do it too. How do I stop this?
Well, we got her hooked up. I'll take you a walk around and show you how I got her hooked up. Oh, as long as I'm up front here. We made that bumper out of 2.5-inch steel pipe. Otherwise, this is all just fiberglass, and it wouldn't take much of a ding to crack that bumper up. So, made a little bumper for it. Added some lights into it, And also on the truck, added a couple more lights on the side. And you saw that we had our backup and cargo light up on the top. And then we got our directional and brakes and more turn signals. Can't have enough turn signals. More lights down the side of the bed here. But what I really need to show you is we got the Trailblazer up there. Just got these straps ordered up Saturday from Amazon, and it's Monday and they're here already. It works out nice. This is a lasso style tie downs. I don't know if I like them already. It just doesn't look like they're gonna hold if that thing pops off of there. But a lot of people use them, but I'm not gonna trust them 100%. So I took a jack strap, put it through the wheel down the other side, and you have it secured here. So I've got 2 of those holding it along with these lassos. Like I said, I'm still not convinced that that's the best way to go, but we'll see what happens. I had to run it up on some blocks here because my fifth wheel, once I put air to it, it raised up a little bit. And I got this all secured and set up onto the hitch down here. And this is all air ride and airbags down in here, so this thing ought to float nice. So we are almost ready. Going to give it a test run down the road. Got the Trailblazer, got the horse trailer hooked up there, and make sure we got lights in the back here. And last week I added more lights. 1 light there and 1 light there on the top. That way when you get in some heavy traffic, the cars behind you can see what's going on. So can't have enough lights on there. So we'll get back to you, and maybe this is the end of the video here, and we will see you when we get down to Tennessee, or maybe just a couple of shots along the way here. So thanks for watching. And how you guys doing on your project? Rachel is supervising as always.
Sassy.
Yeah.
That's mine.
Yeah. Oh, now Rach is going to do the work.
What was the last thing you cut? Come here.
Yeah.
Come here.
So she's going to put that on there. They got the batteries in. They made their bracket to go up here, and then they are going to have their switch on here to shut the main power off. Got their tie downs in. That's a good start for today on here. So we will get back when they get the rest of the project done. Thank you for watching Alan's Day. Life is about making choices. Some things are already perfect. Some things you may choose to upgrade. This channel will show you both. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again.